Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rosy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Take a cardstock of size 18 cm into 28 cm, fold in half. Then take some colorful paper strips of size 2 cm into 12 cm and paste like this. Then take a white paper stroke of size 3 cm into 18 cm, draw lines like ruler. Also draw a pencil like this. Paste them as shown here. Here I am adding this handwritten sentiment. Now take some little paper strips and make symbols like this. Now it's ready to give to your teacher. Hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.